Good afternoon, Kenneth and the rest of the Northeast region. My name is Alan with Sierra Group Roofing. You have hail and you may not know about it. What do I mean? Well, if you turn this attention down here to the shingles, you'll see what a hail hit looks like. And it looks like there was a 2.5 inch in this area. And I'll tell you what to base it out of. If you take this tape measure, you actually look at 2.5. This is the type of damage that you may potentially have on your roof, again, and you may not know about it. We can turn over here as well to the soft metal. You kind of see what potential damage it can do to your whirlybirds. And if you take a look, you may have this on your roof. That's why I'm proud to announce that we have this new asset protection system or program that is available to you. Click below to see more information.